All right, boys and girls, today I am so excited because we are going to be using paper, string, scissors, and glue to make our very own chain or garland of paper hearts. Now, I'm going to be using 3 different colors of paper to be making my heart garland look more 3-dimensional. By using hearts that have 3 different sides, it will make the heart looks like it has a form or is 3-dimensional. So I'll show you how that works in just a moment. I'm outside today, so it might be just a little bit windy. I'll put my glue over here for now to handle that. I'm using 3 pieces of paper, and I'm gonna split up each piece of paper into 8 different sheets. I'm gonna start by folding it in half. And I'll fold it in half again. And one more time. To make 8 different sides to my paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna cut off one little piece to make the shape that I want for my heart. Now, one trick that I like to use for cutting hearts is to actually fold my paper in half, and that way I only have to cut out half of my heart. So on the folded edge here, that means your open edge is off to the side. On the folded edge, I'm gonna cut part of my heart, and I'll cut a shape like this to be half of my heart. Now let's see if I like that shape. And I do, so I can repeat that over and over again on all of these shapes to make that same shape over and over. Let's see. I'll fold this again the same way, and I will kind of put it right over top like a taco, and that will help me cut the same exact shape if I stay right on top of that line. Perfect. Now I have 2 hearts of the exact same shape. Now I'm going to continue with the rest of the squares, and I'll cut my other pieces of paper as well. Remember to use the exact same shape though. Let's get started. All right, now that I've finished cutting, it's time to glue my hearts onto my heart garland. As I said before, we are going to use these 3 colored hearts to make our heart garland look 3-dimensional. We don't want to glue the hearts together to make them look flat like this. We're gonna glue these folded hearts one side together like this, and we're gonna leave the last heart to be like this to give it a 3-dimensional effect. So when you see it turning, you'll get a flash of all 3 colors. I'm gonna glue it onto the string just like that. It's gonna be kind of like this. The string goes in the middle, right here, and there goes your heart. Let's get started. And there you have it, boys and girls. Now I have a finished heart garland or chain. As you can see, with that 3-dimensional heart effect, once it turns in the wind, I can see those different colors flashing. So It's a really cool thing that you can hang up on your wall. You could make a mobile out of it. The possibilities are endless. I can't wait to see what you create with your heart garland. Have fun and happy art making. Have a great day, boys and girls.